Hello and welcome to Gonomics. Today I will be showing you how to install a Slatwall monitor mount. Always follow all manufacturers' safety guidelines. Your product may vary slightly from the examples shown here. For tools, you will need safety glasses, a Phillips head screwdriver, a power drill, a number 2 Phillips bit, a 1/8 inch drill bit, a 10mm nut driver, and a pencil or marker. For equipment, you will need your VESA bracket with mount, an Allen wrench, a standard wrench, your 2 1 5/8 inch self-tapping screws, and your monitor attachment hardware pack, all of which come in your kit when you order a Slatwall monitor mount. You will not need your wall mount hardware pack. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the top screw. Set the screw in the mount aside. Lay your monitor facing down on a flat surface. Make sure the top of the monitor is facing away from you. Align the VESA bracket holes with the monitor holes, ensuring that the V on the bracket is open on the bottom. Insert a washer and the appropriate screw into each of the 4 holes and tighten.
If neither of the screws fit your monitor, you may need to follow your manufacturer's monitor mount installation instructions, which can often be found online by searching your monitor's model number.
Align the VESA bracket to be parallel with the monitor. Insert the Allen wrench into the side bolt and hold the side nut with the standard wrench provided and tighten firmly so that the mount is stiff but is still able to move.
To tighten more firmly, a nut driver may be used instead of the wrench provided.
Remove the black caps from the top and bottom of the bracket. Use a 10mm nut driver and Allen wrench to tighten firmly so that the mount is stiff but is still able to move. Set aside the monitor with VESA bracket. You will attach this to the mount once the mount has been secured to the slat wall.
Tightening the up and down and side to side movements of the bracket will keep your monitor from moving while driving. If your monitor starts to rattle during driving, remove the monitor and complete steps 3 and 4 again.
Position the mounting bracket on the slatwall hutch in the desired position, ensuring the screws will be attached to the raised slat walls. Mark the mounting screw points with a pencil or marker. Using the 1/8 inch drill bit, pre-drill each of the screw mounting points you marked from step 5. Using the number 2 Phillips bit, pre-thread the holes in the mounting points using one of the self-tapping screws. Align the mount with your pre-drilled holes so they are visible through the screw holes in the mount. Using your number 2 Phillips head bit, insert a self-tapping screw into the top pre-drilled hole. Insert the second self-tapping screw into the bottom hole. Firmly tighten both screws.
Make sure not to set the torque too high on your drill when tightening the screws, as it may strip the screw hole created by the self-tapping screws.
Slide the monitor with VESA bracket onto the mount. Secure the mount to the bracket using the screw set aside in step 1. Position the monitor at a comfortable viewing angle.
Thank you for choosing the Van Go as your mobile office solution. Please be sure to check out our other videos and socials. Go Gonomics!